it's meeting the needs of entrepreneurs and people who want to be the best at what they do, whatever their career choice is, in all areas. The AI is coming in this year, so it's just always fascinating and always good to learn and always be around exciting people.
I was invited here to be a keynote speaker and share my experience about artificial intelligence. A little bit of background on what this stuff is and how you can use it. So just sharing a little bit about how I use it as well.
I want to learn more about AI in business. I have a lot of interest in artificial intelligence and how that impacts the business world.
I think people often feel as if they're starting a business, they often feel like everyone out there is their competition, and they don't realize the power of networking to gain resources, to be able to talk and communicate with others, to learn and grow together. Even if we have similar businesses to someone else, we still have our own unique gifts and strengths that we bring, our own unique angle. I think it's really good for people not to think of themselves as an island, but see themselves amongst other partners and relationships that could strengthen, help, and support what they're wanting to do. It's also good to see the young people interested in business. I think that's a great thing that we want to support and encourage.
I love it. I think all great entrepreneurs adapt, and throughout the years, the managers and creators of this shop have edited it to fit everyone who attends.
I am so excited to learn more about AI because I don't know anything about technology, and as a business owner, as a young person dealing with AI, I'm excited to learn more about the language and how to use it to my advantage. This upcoming generation is going to be ruling the business world sooner rather than later, and you see that reflected in the audience at the big workshop.
Just a matter of calibrating, coming out 2024, finishing strong, and hitting 2025 on the run, Lord willing, but that's really my goal being here, yes.